Hey everyone, welcome to the new video series in which I am going to teach you about web application penetration testing, or you can say website hacking or web application hacking. So in this particular course, I'm not going to follow any structure. I'm going to teach in my way. We are not going to follow any structure. We are not going to follow any book or any pattern. So this is completely is going to be my way, and you can come like blank sheet to me, and I'll make sure that at the end of this particular video series I will make sure that you end up as a bug bounty hunter. And as I said, this video series is going to be for zero to hero, so it might be possible that there are a lot of videos that you already know, but I'm still uploading it as a noob, right? But please ignore those particular video and readjust yourself up to the level where you already know some details, and you can start from right there, right? So yeah, I think you should watch all series, so that if there is anything detail that you are missing, then that will be also covered in the particular series. And of course you can ask any question, and don't forget that we have community on my website fluxset.com. So if you have any question, we can discuss there, you can put your question there, and obviously community is going to answer your question, and if no one is answering, definitely I am there to answer. So yeah, that's all about this particular series. So without wasting time, let's get started, and let's start with the first lecture actually.